into this episode. So I am currently in Hardanger, visiting my parents, and me and my father is doing a little trip today to do some bird photography. And we're heading into Ulik, because there is this nature reserve there. It has a couple of northern lapwings and other more exotic birds, you could say, migrating birds at least. So we're hoping to get some birds picture there. But on the way we're stopped here in Granvin, and this is one of my favorite rivers for dippers, because there's so many dippers here. So the first thing I saw when I came down to the river was a dipper, but I did not manage to get close to him because I had to get down to the surface of the river here, and then he kind of noticed me straight away, so it was not like super ideal. But I've been staying here now for almost an hour, I think, so I'm getting a little bit cold in my back and in my bottom here because I've been sitting on these cold rocks. But I've been here for almost an hour. Did not manage to get any good pictures, so I was thinking of ending it. So I was like thinking, okay, another 10 minutes, let's see. And then he came, because I am now currently hiding behind this kind of tree stump, I think it's called, and he can't see me when he comes down the river. So he kind of landed on some rocks in front of me looking for food, and he just went on the top of the on the furthest rock and then came closer and closer to me. And then he also flew right next to the rock next to me here, so it's probably just 4 meters away. And then I tried to slowly pan over, but then he kind of spotted me and he flew further down. So I can show you a little bit of how it looks. So he came to the closest rock, and I am currently using the 2x teleconverter right now. So this is 800, so I got really close to the bird. I don't even think I need to crop in at all when I do the edits, because it's so close. So let's see. But I got some amazing close-up pictures of him. And it's not the perfect light. You saw there was a little sunshine now, but that is the first sunshine I've seen today. But not been really perfect light. It's like cloudy, gray, really flat light. But getting that close and getting this nice blurry bokeh in the background, I think it's going to be a satisfying image. So I'm going to share some of those pictures, and then next we're going to head to Ulik and hopefully capture some pictures of migrating birds in there. Maybe a northern lapwing. I'm hoping a little bit for a northern lapwing, and maybe some other ducks as well. So let's see. But yeah, I did not capture any videos, but I did get some quick and nice pictures. I didn't have much time. He did this whole thing in like probably under 2 minutes, going up between the rocks, so it was a little bit hard to get focused. But when I looked through it, I got some amazing pictures on the camera at least, so I hope they're also amazing when I get back to the computer. So here's one picture, so I hope you enjoy them. Yeah? Did you get some dipper pictures?
Yes, few ones.
Few ones?
But grey dipper, grey.
Grey wagtail.
Wagtail.
Yeah.
A lot of grey wagtails.
Oh, nice.
Very close up. So very happy.
Yeah. I have arrived to Ulik. I must say that has not been that much bird action right now. The reservoir is like on the other side of this river. Over here you can see that there's this kind of beach area, so that's where kind of the reservoir starts and ends. I have seen the lapwing and I have seen what we call storspove in Norwegian. I cannot remember what it's called in English, so I'll just leave the name somewhere on the screen. But they've been pretty far away and I haven't gotten any kind of cool action in flight either from the lapwing. Right now there's a lot of seagulls flying in, but I'm guessing that's about it with that. But yeah, I haven't gotten any kind of cool lapwing in flight either. But otherwise, I'm right now sitting along this river here because I see there's a lot of warblers flying back and forth. So what I will try is to get some picture, maybe video of them, so I at least have something to show from this area. But if I don't catch anything else, I think I'll end the episode here. I had some good success with the dipper in Granvin. Did not have that much success here, but there's not all the trips are not successful at all. It's really not that often I get this much success either. So it comes and goes. So cannot complain. It's been nice to be out in nature. It's been nice to do the drive and get to this area, and it has been nice to get a picture of the dipper. So I cannot complain. But otherwise, if I don't catch anything else, I think I'll end it here. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.